According to modern science, human civilization has been present on Earth for the past 6 million years. Although this might seem like a long time to us, compared to the age of the universe, it's just a fraction of a second. The universe is constantly changing, and there are numerous destructive events happening like rogue stars that can potentially annihilate entire solar systems, including our own. The fear of asteroid impacts, increasing brightness of the sun, and the possibility of rogue stars entering our solar system continue to persist. Despite the many dangers Earth faces, human civilization has managed to thrive for millions of years and has become advanced enough to understand the mysteries of the universe and ways to mitigate risks. However, there is still much we don't know about the future, and we can only make speculative guesses based on scientific understanding. Through supercomputer simulations and tracking stars with telescopes, we can attempt to predict what might happen in the next 100 million years. In this video, we will explore the potential dangers and challenges Earth might face and how human civilization could overcome them. So get ready for another journey through the universe that will surely astonish you. Remember to stay engaged throughout the video, as it will expand your horizons. The world is busy with its affairs today. In 1,000 years, our North Star might change its position. When your future generations wake up in the morning, they might see a different star, Gamma Cephei, instead of Polaris, indicating the North Pole. By the year 3100, your descendants might refer to this star as the North Star, despite its actual name being Gamma Cephei. Although this won't have a significant impact on our civilization, this gradual change will continue. A more imminent challenge will come about 10,000 years from now, when the 15th brightest star in the sky, Antares, goes supernova, exploding with immense brightness. Being 12 times more massive than the Sun, this explosion will be massive, but it won't pose a threat to Earth. It will be visible even during the daytime, and will give the impression of having two suns in the sky. Around 36,000 years later, a rogue star, Proxima Centauri, will come relatively close to our solar system. Although it will become the closest star to us for about 8,000 years, its distant proximity won't pose any significant danger. However, our journey into the future takes a turn with the potential threat of a rogue star entering our solar system. About 100,000 years from now, Betelgeuse, a red supergiant star located about 650 light-years away, is likely to go supernova. This explosion won't harm us much, but the real challenge lies ahead. Rogue stars, also known as interstellar objects, could potentially alter the course of our solar system. In 5 million years, Earth might collide with one of these massive objects. While we have the technology to deflect smaller asteroids, a kilometer-sized interstellar object might be harder to prevent. If it were to collide with Earth, it could have severe consequences, affecting the atmosphere and making our planet less habitable. However, our civilization will be prepared, as recent missions have shown that we can alter the path of asteroids. Around 12 million years from now, a third supergiant star, Vulcae Canis Majoris, will go supernova and vanish. Although it's located about 1,400 times the distance from the Sun, its explosion won't have a significant impact on us. Nonetheless, the most immediate danger comes from ultra-dense objects called ultra-compact mini-halos, which are capable of transforming DNA and posing a real threat to human existence. About 12 million years from now, Gliese 710, a star about 62 light-years away, will attempt to approach our solar system. Despite being relatively close, it won't pose a threat due to its distance. However, the most concerning event will be when a red supergiant star named Betelgeuse, located about 650 light-years away, goes supernova in about 1 million years. This explosion will be visible during the day, and will make Betelgeuse appear like a second sun in the sky. Although these astronomical events might seem alarming, humanity will continue to thrive and adapt. We'll have the technology and knowledge to handle these challenges and ensure our survival. The journey into the future will be full of surprises and uncertainties, but human civilization will persist and find ways to overcome the odds. Millions of billions of small rocks like asteroids will start wandering in the solar system after leaving their orbit, and gradually the entire solar system will be filled with asteroid collisions. After 1.2 million years, Earth will witness more than 10 comets or celestial bodies in the sky every day. This sight will be incredibly beautiful, but also terrifying. Due to the Gliese 710 event, human civilization will face a severe crisis. However, by that time, we will have advanced enough to be able to destroy any asteroid that threatens Earth. So we will be able to survive this astronomical event, and the future generations on Earth will remain safe. In terms of technology, human civilization will have progressed to a Type Io civilization by then, with dominance over the entire solar system. Although there will still be no life on any other planet besides Earth, humans will have explored and settled on some exoplanets. With these advancements, we will be able to mitigate the effects of such an astronomical event, and your future generations will remain secure on Earth. Regarding Earth, after escaping the threat of these wandering celestial bodies, for millions of years, we won't fear space anymore. Human civilization will thrive for many more years. And eventually, after around 2 million years, life in the oceans will also recover. The pollution and damage caused by humans will be rectified over these 20 million years, as Earth will heal itself. However, for this to happen, we must manage the pollution, acidification, and waste in our oceans. Afterward, Earth will be able to restore itself. From now until 20 million years later, human civilization will continue to flourish and gradually reach around 30 civilizations in that time frame. Your descendants will inhabit various planets within the galaxy, with large populations everywhere. As we colonize, we will become less dependent on Earth. If we continue on our current trajectory, we will reach the point where after 30 million years, we will have achieved around 30 civilizations. Your future generations may look vastly different from you, as evolution will shape them, and new species will have emerged. Many ancient species will have disappeared, and new ones will inhabit Earth. In these 100 million years, Earth's geographical layout will drastically change. The Indian plate will move about 180 kilometers into the Tibetan plate, causing Nepal to vanish completely. However, these changes will occur so slowly that they won't be noticeable to human civilization. At this time, we will still be living on Earth and part of the solar system. Voyager 1, the first human-made spacecraft to leave our solar system, will be around 560 light-years away from Earth after 1 million years. If extraterrestrial beings find it, they might be representatives of your future generations. With colonization, humans on Earth could become aliens for other Earth inhabitants due to diverse evolutions on different planets. Yet, regardless of the possibilities, human civilization will continue to thrive on Earth for another million years, witnessing tremendous changes. As time passes, Earth's position within the universe will change, gravitational forces will have impacts, and evolution will continue. Regardless, in 100 million years, human civilization will still be alive on Earth and within the solar system. We will create Type 2 and Type 3 civilizations and will remain alive in this infinite universe even after 100 million years. But what will happen after 100 million years, and will human civilization still exist on Earth at that time? And which powerful cosmic events will occur in the universe that will destroy our Earth? For now, friends, that's all in this video. We have been on this Earth for 60 light years, and we will continue to exist for the next 1 core years. If you like this video, please like it and share it generously, and also subscribe to the channel. Your doing so motivates me to create knowledge-filled videos quickly, so please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks.